Coach Badgalsev is out of Aurora Gaming Turkey. You know what time it is? Hands in. Parang ever since nagkaroon ng MLBB tournament na pwedeng mag-qualify yung Turkey sa international, nandun siya. Tandem sila usually ni Rosa Pero siya yung kadalasan na nasa back end working as the coach, working as a translator, working as an analyst, working as an everything all around para sa Turkish team that will be representing the international stage. And I love how she has showcased a lot of improvements, and I'm sure she's part of why Turkey as a region, as a country, is regarded as one of the toughest teams outside of Southeast Asia. Kasi di naman natin maitatanggi hanggang ngayon, andun pa rin yung top 3. Philippines, Malaysia, Indo. Pero lately, sa tulong niya, and of course all of the other Turkish players, I can safely say na meron tayong tulog sa kanila. They still haven't made it to top 4 just yet, but nevertheless, it is still a solid contribution whatever she did para sa kanyang team. And this is also the reason why Turkey is gonna be the host for the M8 World Championship. Kasi sigurado ako na mas marami pang coaches na kagaya niya that are also keen into the games and very looking forward para makita yung mga players na sikat in person. I won't be surprised if she's gonna be taken by another Turkish team or testing ba siya na lumipat sa ibang bansa given na kaya niya naman magsalita ng English. I hope makita pa rin natin siya sa eksena and probably build the next Turkish powerhouse there.